Hello, my name is Nate Weaselquist. Thank you for visiting our OpenSplice Tuner Getting Started guide. What I'm going to do first is open a command window and run the release.com batch script. Then I will go into the OSPL home directory. I'm going to take a list of the OpenSplice domains. You'll notice that there are none, so I'm going to start the OpenSplice domain with OpenSplice start, OSPL start. At this point I'm going to cd into the bin directory. You might already see it, but the OSPL TUN file is there, and that's our executable. So there's our OpenSplice domain, and what I'm going to do is run OSPL TUN for the tuner. As you can see, we're currently not connected to the domain, but what I'm going to do is connect to the default domain, which I've set up, and now you can see from the green button that we're ready to go. We have a number of topics that you can see in the tuner. These are mainly built-in topics for OpenSplice. I'll open another terminal window for later so that we can see how these topics change. What I can do here is I can display an entity, any of the topics. I can go through the status, the quas, the data type, and even the statistics of each individual topic that you can see here. Now I can change the view mode. If I go to participant, I can see the built-in participant. I can see obviously the OpenSplice tuner, which we're connected with. The services that are currently running. The standard OpenSplice services for the federated domain. I can also look at the partition, and if I display the entities, I can see every single OpenSplice entity that is contained within the partition. We have the built-in partition, the durability partition, and everything that is contained within the OpenSplice domain. What I'll do now is I'll go back to the topic view, and I'll refresh it. Now we'll dig a little bit deeper into the tuner. What I'm going to do is create a publisher called Publisher New. I'll also create a subscriber called Subscriber New. At this point, under Participant Vortex OpenSplice Tuner, you can see that we have both our publisher and our subscriber that we've created. Now what we'll do is we'll create a reader for the subscriber new, and we'll call it Reader New. And currently you can see the reader, the data reader, and obviously you can see all its attributes that we've created. Now what we'll do is we'll get a little bit more in-depth into what the tuner can do. I'm going to run an example here called ping pong, which you may be familiar with. This allows us to have an OpenSplice domain communicate with itself by pinging out messages and then ponging them back. I'm going to run the script, and you'll see that once I run it and I refresh my topics in the OpenSplice tuner, you'll see that a number of ping pong topics have suddenly appeared. So thanks very much for visiting our OpenSplice Tuner Getting Started video.